Thursday I got my Apple display that did not work. I sent it back. Same day I ordered one from a different vendor. It came in today, so I'm gonna take it out and test it out, see if once the display work. The other guy got his display back today, said it worked on his computer. It did not power on mine. So we'll see what's going on. So here goes nothing. This is better packed than the other one was. Dual box. Alright, so this is the invoice. By the way, I went to Best Buy and got me a mini display port to DVI just in case. Test out the mini display ports on that card and they work great. Monitor is on right now on the DVI. Mini display port to DVI adapter. So I know that it's not the mini display port on the card. It's like almost like an Apple box. All original packaging. How about that? Cable, power cable. So there it is. I don't know if you can see it. I'll plug it in, see what happens. Take the computer out. Set it on top of the computer, of course. Alright, let me hook this stuff up and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm plugging the power in. Alright. Plugging the DVI in, mini display port in. this way. Alright. There it is. So, the other monitor did not power it on. This one does. So the other monitor was definitely broken. The guy just sent me an email saying that he just got it today and plugged it in and it worked. And I couldn't get it to power on. And this one powers right on. See? Let's see. Let's see what computer detects. See? It works. It works great. Alright, let me set this stuff up and I'll be back. Look at that beautiful screen. I just set it up, powered the computer up, and there she goes. So in my next video, I'm gonna be installing Catalina on this computer on an extra hard drive, another hard drive in here. I was trying to do it the thumb drive way, but it didn't work. So I cloned my hard drive to another hard drive, and I'm gonna use just one main drive. Alright, there it goes. Thank you guys for watching.